We are cooking up a simple, creamy, comforting pasta dish this week.
Hey guys, it's Freya and Charlie and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be cooking up a mushroom linguine. We're using these delicious closed cup chestnut mushrooms as our main ingredient. They have a really lovely, subtle, earthy flavour to them. And to make sure that it's extra creamy, we are going to be using cashews to make a cashew cream as the base of the sauce.
We absolutely love cooking with the cashew cream. We use it in lots of our recipes. We love using it in dishes like pasta sauces. It makes things very comforting and creamy and warming. However, this pasta dish is not too stodgy or heavy because we are using some fresh ingredients just to brighten it up a bit. We're going to be using some fresh lemon, a little bit of zing, a little zesty lemon. We're going to be using some white wine, and then we're also going to be putting in a bunch of fresh herbs. We're going to be using some lovely fresh thyme. And I think thyme and mushroom together is just a beautiful combination of ingredients.
Proper match made in heaven there.
Definitely. So when we use those mushrooms and thyme and lemon, and we've also got a little bit of mustard in there as well, it just brightens everything up, but it's still a very creamy, warming, comforting pasta dish, which I love. So everyone loves it.
Who doesn't want that? Anyway, let's just get on with the cooking. Begin by slicing the chestnut mushrooms thinly. This recipe uses 250 grams of mushrooms. We prefer the taste of chestnut mushrooms in this pasta, but don't sweat it if you can't get them. Just use any mushrooms you can get your hands on. We're going to be cooking these in some vegan butter and olive oil over a medium heat. Once you've got them going for a few minutes, then you'll want to add in the garlic. Give it all a good stir together. Next up is the capers. And then all of that lovely thyme. Season it with some salt and pepper, and finally you're going to add in the white wine and a squeeze of lemon juice. Cook this on a medium to low heat until you've reduced all of that lovely liquid down.
So we're now done cooking our mushrooms, and we're just going to leave them on a very low heat whilst we make our cashew cream. And you also want to put your spaghetti on, or linguine, or whatever pasta you're using at this moment. The first thing we're going to do is put our cashews into a blender, but these have been soaking before we do it. And this just means that when you blend them, the cashews are nice and soft, so it makes a really smooth cashew cream. So the longer you can soak them for, the better.
To make the cashew cream, take your pre-soaked cashews and add them to a blender with the dairy-free milk, olive oil, nutritional yeast, a squeeze of lemon, and of course salt and pepper. Blend this on high until it is nice and smooth and creamy. Add the pasta to the pan with your mushrooms in, and then pour over all of that creamy cashew sauce. Give everything a really good stir together and then serve. Make sure you get some mushrooms on every plate. They do tend to drop to the bottom of the pan.
That That's great.
Let's give this a taste test. You've got a fork, I've got
Do you want a bit?
a couple of big tongs. Alright, let's see if I can do this in a somewhat elegant way. Oh, I need a bit more of that.
It really is like creamy and fresh. We weren't wrong.
Adding the thyme and the lemon in there really stops it from being like way too stodgy. It adds like an extra like little zing, a little lift, a little like pizzazz to the dish. It's really nice.
And you could have this sauce with any kind of pasta. We've gone for a linguine, but you could do it with a spaghetti or a tagliatelle, or even, you know, like a penne. Would be really nice.
This is honestly such a lovely, homely, comforting meal, but it's not unrefined. Like, you could definitely serve this to guests. You could definitely serve this to guests at a dinner party. Like, it's not like bangers and mash. It's like a refined dinner.
Like, it is a quick, simple, one-pot weeknight meal, but you're right, it can definitely be more of a special occasion thing, especially if you paired it with a nice sort of Italian salad or nice garlic bread.
This would go so nicely with some crusty garlic bread. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we really hope you enjoy wrestling up this meal at home as well. We think it's delicious, and we hope you think so too.
And please let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know if you enjoy these kind of quick, simple, warming one-pot dinners, because I don't know about you, but we always need these kind of recipes in our sort of kitchen arsenal. It's a great recipe for that go-to quick weeknight dinner, so let us know what you thought in the comments.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!